Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use a green screen in the new camera feature on CapCut. So if you haven't updated your CapCut, you need to update it now because there is a new feature camera in here with a green screen effects that you can use freely on CapCut. So here I'm going to show you how to use that. So just click on the camera first, and the CapCut camera will be open like this, and then after that you need to go to effects and here click on green screen. So you can see here there are so many options of green screens that you can use. For example, you can change the background of your photo, the background of your photo, video, and you can also add a time wrap scan like this. Okay, I'm going to just choose, for example, this photos right here. And then you can also use this green screen, reveal green screen, and in my mind green screen, and also this one, a moving green screen. So let's say I'm gonna use this videos right here, so it will go like this. Okay, so you can just choose which one that you want to use, select that, and then upload your photo or video. Okay, so that's a simple tutorial from me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.